So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can message a person who has set the privacy, or you get the indication not everyone can send messages to this account. So we will go through only 4 steps. And if I open up the profile of that person to whom we can't send the messages, for example, this is the one. And the very first step is you have to take a screenshot of this profile. You are done with the very first step after doing this. Now for completing the second step, you have to remember the username of the person to whom you want to send a message. So this was the second step. The first one was to take a screenshot. The second one was to remember the username. Now moving towards the third step, you have to go back and back again and go to your profile section by tapping on your profile menu available in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, you have to tap on these 3 lines available at the top right corner of the screen, and you have to scroll through this page and scroll to the end. And here under more info and support, you get an option help. So you gotta tap on that, and when these options pop up from here, you have to go with the very first option in this list, which is report a problem. It doesn't matter whether you are on Android or iPhone, it works absolutely the same on both of the devices. So if you are popped up with this dialog box, you have to tap on report problem without shaking. And from here you have to go with the second option, which is don't include and continue. And here we will perform the step number 3. You have to watch very carefully from here, and you have to write exactly the same thing as I'm writing, otherwise it's not gonna work. So you have to write here, hi Instagram team. I have been using your app since 4 years. You can write here the duration for which you have been using Instagram. In my case, it is 4 years. There is a person on Instagram who is my very close friend in real life. But on Instagram, he has set the privacy and I can't message him. Kindly remove his message privacy so we can get closer and meet up again. His username is... This is the reason for which I had asked you to remember the username. And after typing in the username, you have to write, I'll be waiting for your favorable response. And after that, you have to tap on this upload button available and attach that screenshot that we had just taken of the targeted account. And after attaching the screenshot, tap on this send button available at the top right corner of the screen, and you'll be done with step number 3. Now, after sending this report, the fourth and the final step is you have to open that person's profile again and press this follow button available on this profile. And if this person approves your request, you'll directly be able to send a message. So in this way, you'll be able to send messages to everyone on Instagram. Thank you so much.